Good evening traders, welcome to 200forextips.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 3rd of September 2019. Okay guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it and do not forget to press the notification button so that you can get the forex trading analysis from my side. Okay guys, I am going to take you towards the today's signals report, and with starting from Great Britain Pound USD, I have supplied the bullish signal in case of Great Britain Pound USD from 1 to 0007 and 1 to 1092 was the target price. And guys, you can see a sweet upward trend on Great Britain Pound USD, and congratulations to all traders who have taken the buy positions on this pair. They must have ended up with very good profits. Okay, now let's talk about the USD CHF. So USD CHF with a bearish trend from 099066 and 098529 was the target price. And guys, you can see that we have a drop on USD CHF, and it has went almost near to the target price. So congratulations to the traders who have taken the good profits on this pair. Okay, massive trading that we have done today on Great Britain Pound JPY with the bullish expectation from 1 to 7492 and 1 to 8815 is the target price. However, the target price is not met till now because you can see the momentum is slow, but overall the market has break our entry and it has went up. So if you have traded Great Britain Pound USD as per my suggestion that I have supplied in the morning, then you must have ended up with very good profits. Okay, now let's talk about AUD JPY. AUD JPY with a clear bullish trend supplied in the morning from 71358 and 71666 is the target price. And guys, you can see that the market has already break the entry and it has went near to the target price. So I again congratulate all those traders who have taken the buy positions today on this pair. They must have ended up with good profits. Okay, now let's talk about Euro USD. Euro USD, let me take you towards the chart. Okay, so guys, we have seen the slower momentum on Euro USD today, but however I have supplied the bullish signal from 109562 and 110178 is the target price. You can see this, we have started the trend here. This candle was closed above the trend line that I have provided about the entry, and then you can see that from 3 hours the market is going up. So if you have done scalping on Euro USD because this is the very slower momentum of the market, then you must have collected the good profit. At next, we are going to talk about USD JPY. We have received a sudden drop on USD JPY, and this is what 200forextips.com has predicted it right in the morning from 106084 and 105543 is the target price. However, the target price is not met, but you can see that the market has already went down so much. So if you have traded USD JPY in a bearish manner, then you must have caught the profit. At last, I'm going to talk about AUD USD that clearly hit the target price. AUD USD with a bullish expectation from 067276 and 067572 was the target price. And you guys, you can see right from the entry the market started to go bullish, and after that it hit the target price with no problems. Okay guys, this is now I'm going to talk about the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel. Let me explain about the trading system. You can see that there are two red boundaries on the chart. Whenever you see that the market is into the upper red boundary and it's getting losing the momentum, then you can sell the pair. And whenever you see that the market is into the lower red boundary and it starts gaining the momentum like it happened with Great Britain Pound USD today, then you can buy the pair. And this is how we use the trading system. Moreover, the price action monitor is there to help you. When it changes its color to green, it means time to buy. When it changes into red, it means that the time to sell. Okay guys, this is how we use the trading system. Moreover guys, if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, or you want to learn that how I prepare these signals, I give 3 days coaching on the preparation of the signals. I charge $700 for the preparations of the signals because these signals are based on a trick, and if you want to learn this trick, I teach this trick for $700. If you want to get this coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forextips.com. Please do like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.